In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the April gold futures contract, which had a down session today, which is the first down session in the previous 5. Since the cycle low close on February 28th, gold is still up 2.28%. Today, the high was 2938.80, which was up 0.42%, and the low 2905.30 was only down 0.73%, and with a little bit of time left in the session, we are still down about 0.4%. On a weekly basis, gold finished higher by 2.31%, marking the 9th week of positive prices in the last 10, although it did complete an inside range week, which could potentially mean a reversal, but we'll have to see. Fed Chair Jerome Powell spoke today and seemed to splash a bit of cold water on the fire that is the market's perception of coming rate cuts. He was speaking at the Chicago Booth School Monetary Policy Forum in New York City and described the caution the Fed was taking in the timing of rate cuts. He said, if the economy remains strong, but inflation does not continue to move toward 2%, we could maintain policy restraint for longer. Fed Governor Adriana Kugler also spoke today specifically and said, given the recent increase in inflation expectations, it could be appropriate to continue holding the policy rate at its current level for some time. She also said there are important upside risks to inflation. Some measures of inflation expectations have risen significantly in the past couple of months. So these comments taken all together have shifted rate cuts probability lower, and fewer rate cuts typically means weakness in the gold contract. Now next week, we have CPI due out in the US on Wednesday, and that could certainly go a long way towards tilting the Federal Reserve further away from or closer to rate cuts. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. Clearly, that's the biggest economic data point for gold in the coming week that's scheduled so far.